Have you ever wondered why so many people earn more every year, but still feel broke? You got your first salary hike, bought that latest iPhone, weekend Goa trip, upgraded your apartment, life looks good. But 5 years later, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because you're silently trapped in a dangerous loop called lifestyle inflation. Today I'll break down why your income isn't making you rich, how lifestyle inflation quietly steals your future wealth, and how you can escape it starting today. Stay with me till the end, because this video might save you lakhs or even crores over your lifetime. Lifestyle inflation simply means as your income increases, your spending increases, many times without you even realizing it. You justify bigger expenses, 2,000 rupees dinners instead of 300, business class flights, new iPhone upgrades, subscriptions piling up, Netflix, Prime, Hotstar, Spotify, fancy gym memberships, luxury clothing, accessories and gadgets. Your income goes up, but your savings barely move. Let's talk about reality, especially for Indian middle-class families. According to RBI reports, 80% of salaried professionals save less than 15% of their income. The higher your income goes beyond 12 lakh rupees per year, the lower your savings percentage drops. Credit card debt is rising at 30% year on year. Why? Because we feel entitled to spend more as we earn more. We start spending for status, not for real needs. Let's look at 3 simple stories. Rahul earns 50,000 rupees per month. He saves 5,000. After a promotion, Rahul starts earning 80,000 rupees. But instead of saving more, he upgrades his car, buys new gadgets, and goes for more vacations. His savings still stuck at 5,000 rupees per month. Priya earns the same. After her promotion, she decides to increase her SIPs from 5,000 to 15,000 per month. Sameer also earns more, but gets trapped into luxury car EMIs, credit card bills, expensive restaurants. 15 years later, Priya has built 1 crore rupees. Rahul barely saved 15 lakh. Sameer is drowning in debt. But why does this happen? Social media triggers. Everyone showing off. Fear of missing out. Easy EMIs, zero down payment, no cost loans. We lack delayed gratification. It's not just spending, it's mental conditioning. Now let's do simple math. You earn 10 lakh rupees per year. Spend 8 lakh, save 2 lakh. After a hike, you earn 15 lakh. If you still spend 8 lakh, you now save 7 lakh per year. Invest 7 lakh every year at 12% annual returns for 20 years, you build nearly 5.7 crore rupees. But if you let your expenses grow to 13 lakh, still saving only 2 lakh per year, your corpus will barely touch 1.6 crore rupees. That's a loss of over 4 crore rupees. Now listen carefully. You can beat lifestyle inflation. Automate savings through SIP. Follow percentage saving rules. Save 30% of your income. Upgrade life slowly, only after meeting financial goals. Avoid lifestyle creep with every salary hike. Control social media triggered desires. Avoid EMIs. Pay full price or wait. Focus on building income generating assets. Your income should buy you freedom, not financial slavery. Lifestyle inflation is not evil. But uncontrolled lifestyle inflation guarantees your income will never translate into real wealth. Master your money habits early and watch your wealth grow silently, compounding over decades. Remember, your biggest salary is not your biggest asset. Your disciplined habit is. For more simple, practical Indian money lessons, subscribe to my YouTube channel at wealth.sync. And share this video with anyone who just got a salary hike. You might save their financial future.